Peer-to-peer networking. Peer-to-peer. In its simple form, a peer-to-peer network is created when two or more PC are connect and share resource without going through separate server computer. A peer-to-peer network can be an ad hoc connection. A couple of computers connect by a universal serial bus transfer files. A peer-to-peer network also can be a permanent infrastructure that link a half dozen computers in a small office over copper wire. Or a peer-to-peer network can be a network on a much grander scale in the special protocols and applications set up direct relationship among users over the internet. And this is the requirements in networking. This is UTP cable and two laptop, or we use two laptop, or PC to PC, or PC to laptop. Our group will use home group for network and sharing files. First, we gonna click start menu, then click control panel. After that, click network and internet. Then you see network and sharing center, home group, and internet option. Then click home group. Then after click home group, please click create a group. Then you see a share with other home computer running po Windows 7. Ibig sabihin, kung ano i-check dyan, yun yung mga pwedeng maipasa dun sa kabilang PC. Ngayon, i-click ko yung document. I'm gonna click document, then click next. After that, lalabas yung yung password. Ito yung automatic password. Then click finish.
After creating a home group, the first PC, next in the second PC, we're gonna join now in the home group that has been created. Go to start menu, control panel, network and internet, home group, and as we can see the user and the name of the PC. And this is the user in this PC. Yeah. Just click this button, join now. There's a window asking me what to share a files. I'm gonna share my documents. Click next. And the password that a home group created. The password is 128. Click next. Now you have joined the home group. Click finish. Just wait. Just wait a moment. There, it's okay. Now let's try sharing the files. In this window, we can see here the left side of the window. We can see a different links. The favorites, libraries, home group, computer, and network. We can go in the home group and we can also go in the network. We will see the computer name of other PCs that join in the home group. Just click run on and this is his documents. Now I can see his files in his documents. I can also copy a file from him and to my PC. Now it's easy to share and delete files from the other PC. We can also share files from the other PC. As you can see here, he only shared documents, music, pictures, and videos. Not that is we can also share another files from other links, other folders. I'll try to share a file in a local disk D where I store my backups, installer, PC games. And the step to share files is here. You can see this, share with. Just click share with and we can see a nobody, home group, and a home group read or write. When we click home group read, he can only access my files through reading. He cannot delete and he cannot also copy files from me. But if I click this home group read or write, now he can access the deletion and the copy paste of other PC. So just click home group read or write and a share icon will be here. And that's how to share.